Recover data from iCloud. Step 1. Start Data Recovery Tool. Download and install the latest version of Wondershare DrFone. Proceed to open the tool by navigating through Toolbox, then Data Recovery. Step 2. Select iOS as the device type. Step 3. Start recovery from iCloud. From the available options, select Recover Data from iCloud to launch the specific data recovery tool for recovering iCloud data. Step 4. Sign into iCloud account. You will be prompted to sign into the respective iCloud account from where you wish to recover the data. Step 5. Authenticate your sign-in. Provide all necessary authentications needed to log into your iCloud account for data recovery. Step 6. Select file types. Select all file types that you want to recover through DrFone. Continue by clicking Next on the bottom right of the screen. Step 7. View iCloud data download progress. Once you proceed, the downloading process will start, which will be displayed through a progress bar. If you wish to close down the process, click Stop at any instance. Step 8. Proceed to select and restore iCloud data. The following window will show all the downloaded data with the categorized display. You can also change the filter for displaying data and select an appropriate option. Checkmark all data that you want to recover and click Restore to Device. Step 9. Continue to restore data to specific device. A window comes in the display asking you to select the device where you want to restore iCloud data. It also shows the selected data that can and cannot be restored. Proceed by clicking Continue to initiate the setup. Step 10. Connect to iOS device. The next screen will show the connection status with the iOS device. Step 11. Conclude iCloud data restoration. Once the iDevice connects, the restoration progress is displayed. Those who wish to stop the restoration can click the Cancel button. The screen prompts the completion of the process once the data is restored. Step 12. Try to recover to computer. You can also recover from iCloud into your computer with the Recover to Computer option. On selecting it, a prompt window opens where you can define the location of recovery. Continue to choose the option of Recover to execute the process successfully.